I'm Sister Bernadette Donovan. I'm an Amityville Dominican, and I'm a professor at Molloy College. They had done some repair work at the college, and I missed a step that was not there the hour before, and went flying and landed face down on my mouth. And actually, the only word I could use is mashed my 4 front teeth, the top ones. When I first came here and walked through the door with the trepidation and fear, and I have to admit to being a coward, of previous years, the staff welcomed me like, well, they knew me forever. Then I met his assistant, who should get a degree in counseling people. Okay, with the one hand on the shoulder, she was telling me how everything's going to be just fine. And then I met Dr. Scharf, who actually went through what he was going to do step by step. He treated me like another intelligent person who would understand what he was telling me. And he told me exactly what the problem was, what was plan A, what might be plan B, how it was going to work, what he would do, how long it would take. People who knew him said to me, go with his plan. He knows what he's doing. Forget your agenda that, we have to have this done by next week. And so I listened to him, and I did that. When I first came, the first visit, I was still afraid. And I was there, and he is and I'm also thinking I'm going to be in this chair forever. And he is working, and through my garbled voice, I said, how are you doing? And he said, oh, it's out. Do you want to see it? Well, of course, I said no. I did not want to see it. It seemed like seconds. I didn't feel it. I had no pain. From what I could detect, there was very little blood. It was over. And then I went home, and they gave me a sheet of exactly what to expect, one after the other, and some Tylenol. I took 2 as precautionary and did not have to take anything else. And the phone rings. It's Dr. Scharf. Hello, Sister Bernadette. How are you doing? I just called to make sure everything's okay. If you experience any discomfort, swelling, bleeding, anything, you have my cell phone. Just give me a call. I hope everything's going okay. He was sincere, and it has been that way after every removal of the teeth that have gone on. And we're near the end of the work now, but it still is not finished. But I thank God every day I listen to him. He's professional. He's well academically prepared. You just talk to him for 5 minutes and you know that. He must have been the kind of student every teacher dreamed of having. The one who would go the extra mile, do the research on his own, and go back for always wanting to be better. Because I believe that we have here a person who wants to be the ultimate best dentist so that he can render the ultimate best service to his patients. We have somebody here in the upper echelons of professionalism and compassion. You often don't get those 2 together. You get one or the other. Here you have both. I could not give you enough words to praise the work he does. And my students would tell you, she doesn't give out A's. I mean, I give him an A+.